various cases of the displacement time graph. In these three graphs, you have to show where the velocity is positive or negative, where the acceleration is positive or negative. First of all, we will calculate the velocity. Velocity is known as slope of displacement time graph. If you plot the slope on this graph like this, I hope it is visible to all of you. This slope is making angle theta from the x-axis, and that theta is obtuse. And when the angle is obtuse, velocity is negative. In this situation also we draw the slope. Slope is like this. In both the situation, it is visible to all of you. From the x-axis, the angle theta is measured, that is the obtuse. So slope in this situation is also negative. In this situation, if you draw the slope like this, like the slope means tangent. Again you will see the theta. This theta is acute. So when the theta is acute, slope is known as positive. So here the velocity is positive. Now I will explain you regarding the acceleration. Acceleration is positive or negative. First of all of you just draw the zero velocity point. I hope it is visible to all of you. At this point velocity is 0 because slope is 0. Here this point the velocity is 0 because slope is 0. Here this point the velocity is 0 because slope is 0. Let us erase first, then you will get better idea. Velocity is negative, negative and positive. So velocity negative, negative and positive. Now first of all we will draw the zero velocity point. Here the slope is 0, so velocity is 0. Here the slope is just parallel to the x-axis, so velocity is 0. Here the slope is parallel to the x-axis, so velocity is 0. Now we will put the maximum speed point. Here the speed is maximum, so we will say, because slope is maximum, so we will say here speed is maximum. In this situation, at this point the speed is maximum because this is a slope, this is a maximum speed. In this point this is the slope, so this is the theta and this is the maximum speed. अब आप ध्यान से देखो, from 0 to maximum it means speed is increasing. We will say speed is increasing. In this situation, maximum speed to 0, it means you will say speed is decreasing. And again in this situation, maximum to 0, it means we will say in this situation speed is decreasing. अब ध्यान से देखो, अगर आपकी speed increase हो रही है, it means acceleration will support the velocity. So we will say velocity is negative and acceleration is negative. यहाँ पे देखो आपकी speed decrease हो रही है, इसका मतलब acceleration is opposite to velocity, so acceleration will be positive. In this situation, speed is decreasing, it means acceleration is negative.